In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable DRM on Android phones. So what is DRM? That's Digital Right Management. So this is the feature used by most online media companies like Shopify or Netflix or Prime TV, just need them. So you need to enable this feature on your Chrome browser before you can access most of this DRM website. Now to enable DRM on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to the Chrome browser on your Samsung phone, open it. Once you open the Chrome browser, you want to click on three dots at the top right. Then scroll down and click on settings. Then once you selected settings, just scroll down and make sure you click on site settings. Then once you hit site settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page, keep scrolling and click on protected content. Once you click protected content, there are three options available here: allow DRM, ask first before using DRM, block DRM on the Chrome browser. Now to enable DRM on your Google Chrome browser, all you need to do is make sure you click on the allow button. Once the allow button is selected, you can see allow site to play protected content on your device. So the DRM has been enabled on your Samsung phone. Now go ahead now to use any website that requires DRM like Netflix, or you can use their platform. So this is how to turn on or enable DRM on Android phone. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.